For me, one of the most inspiring things is the nature because you can find too many shades of green every step of the way. That's why one of my passions is hiking. To be immersed in the nature and find our roots as a human being. That reminds me that we come from the nature, we come from the jungle. Here, I can understand the world, where our food comes from, and taste it, of course. I can see the world from another point of view, living in tribal villages and saying hi to new faces. In the jungle, every way up and every way down is a challenge for me that makes me feel alive. I travel to find incredible places, and here in Luang Namtha jungle, I have found it.